yung akin pong impeachment ground na i-present ay yung patungkol po sa unexplained wealth at confidential funds misuse. No? Pero to be clear, 11 po yung mga prosecutors. No? So I think all of us ay meron pong at least dalawang mga grounds, no, na i-present at bahagi. At nakita niyo naman po ito sa doon sa atin pong presentation din po sa House Committee on Justice, no. So talaga pong meron pong kanya-kanyang mga bahagi kung saan talagang pinipresent po yung iba't ibang mga aspeto po ng kaso, no. So for example, for unexplained wealth, may magpepresenta para sa IMLC, meron po magpepresenta for BIR, meron po magpepresenta for SEC, at iba pa hong mga related na mga ahensya para patunayan po yung unexplained wealth ng atin pong pangalawang Pangulo.
Okay, sir.
Okay, complete po, your discussion here po. Di ba nga nagsasabi na with the recent leadership change sa Senate ay ganito na ganibal natin itong impeachment kasi alam naman natin na public aligned dito yung nasa Senate leadership po. So what are your comments po?
Tingin ko hindi po yung totoo. No? Kasi kung dead on arrival po ito, the Senate President would not have sent a letter that they will convene the Senate Impeachment Court at 3 p.m. on Monday, May 18. No? So tingin ko po, yung pong mga senator judges naman po natin at the time of trial will look at it with open eyes, will look at the evidence both from the prosecution and the defense and decide based on the evidence and based on their conscience. No? Kasi tingin ko po, if it is something that is dead on arrival, it would have been a different pronouncement by the current Senate President. But we will hold on. No? We have great faith in his pronouncement na talaga po magko-convene ang Senate Impeachment Court. Kasi otherwise, ang pag-uusapan ho by that time, kung wala pong ganitong commitment to open ang Senate leadership, pag-usapan yung usapin po ng jurisdiction at kung tama ba ho yung pagkakatransmit ng articles of impeachment sa Senado even prior to convening the Senate Impeachment Court. No? So, pagka ho ang sinabi na po ng Senate President ay bubuksan na nila yung pong Senate Impeachment Court on 3 p.m., panghahawakan po namin yung pong ganito pong commitment.
Good morning, Hong Kong. Pwede ka tanong regarding kagabi sinabi ni Senate President Cayetano na wala na sila Sergeant of Arms. Hindi kaya mamaya hindi makatuloy ang impeachment ng peace and order, wala daw makakaskaso.
Kung pwede ba yun? Ay yung tinatanong ni Manong, pag wala bang gwardya, sarado ang Senado?
Ang totoo naman po yung OSAA, pareho ng House tsaka ng Senado naman po, hindi lang naman isang tao yun, ano? So I'm sure meron po mga deputies, yung pong current Sergeant at Arms, na kaya pong mag-secure at mag-ensure po ng safety ng lahat po ng mga taong papasok sa darating pong Lunes. No? So, tingin ko naman po hindi ho yan magiging sagka. Doon po sa una sesyon ng Senado at pangalawa, doon po sa pagbubukas po ng Senate impeachment trial.
Kong, pardon my ignorance. If a sitting senator of the Republic is suspended for whatever reason, will this prevent him or her from participating in the impeachment trial? And number two, will this also forfeit his or her right from voting to vote eventually?
My understanding is not just for a senator but for all members po, no, whether House or Senate. Pagka ho suspended, you cannot participate in any committee proceedings and you cannot participate in plenary proceedings. So, ang ibig sabihin po nun, siyempre, if you cannot speak, you also cannot vote. No? Yun po yung magiging impact doon in the Senate impeachment trial. No? Pero siyempre, hindi ho nagbabago yung threshold vote na kailangan po to convict an impeachable official. So, 16 pa rin po yun ang kailangan pong boto to convict. So, irrespective of any suspension, it is still a 16-vote threshold that the prosecution will need to surmount to convict the Vice President.
So kung sa kabilang point of view, bawat mawawalang potensyal na boto is a vote for acquittal or tantamount.
Hindi din naman. Basta ang importante ho, kailangan pa rin po makakuha ng labing anim.
Kasi kung hypothetical po, kung Terry, na may sinuspindi kang 10, acquitted.
O kung whoever it is, parang personality blind po,
Yeah.
basta hindi mo maabot yung 16, you cannot convict. So, yung pong suspension basically does not actually impact yung conviction po ng any impeachable official.
Si dating Senate President Tito Soto,